here we are trash picking again. Wow, that's a cool box. Weatherhead. Does that mean anything to anyone? Is that like a collectible box? I don't know, we'll take it. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna look at the street. Because I didn't want you to see the address label on this box. I'm telling you, address labels are a huge, huge pain in the butt. What are these, Beaumont posts? I guess these are like, you know, posts for putting into the ground. Yeah, we'll take those. Do we want a Bridgestone tire? I kind of do. Looks pretty nice, but we're not going to take that. Do we want some fish finder stuff, boat stuff? That's so cool. Make sure we're on the level, right? I don't know. Do we want these little turnbuckle pieces? And the guy's gonna come out and kill me. Oh, you're making a mess. Don't make a mess. Oh, making a mess in my yard. No, big devil. I'm not making a gosh darn mess. All right, what's over here? Some zippered thing. Ooh, disposable shop towels. Wow. Kimtex disposable shop towels. We used to use Kim wipes in science class. So I'm very familiar with the Kim brand. I think that's brass. I think I don't care. I don't know. I might take some of that junk in a minute. What's this? Torch fuel. Citronella fuel. And that's about it. I don't know. The Weatherhead box, that's just too cool not to take. These things will take. That will take. This will take. Wow. This is not bad for a first pile. This first pile gives me a smile. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take this whole thing, and that way there, we can sort through it later. Whole backyard is empty. Did I just call my back seat my backyard? Oops. All right, it's a good start, and I will have to close this box off camera because there's an address label right there, and you don't get to see the address labels. Gotta protect people's privacy. While we're here, I guess we can check the neighbor's pile. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a box full of real crappy tools. Let's see. That's copper pipe. Is it pipe or tubing? That's a chisel. That's a saw. That's a little, isn't that adorable? That's nice. Oh, a socket for our ratchet. There's a bunch of little sockets here. You know what? I guess we'll just take this whole box too. Let's see, wires. Ooh, sorry. I just smacked you guys right in the face. I don't think we need any of those wires. But we can take this whole little bucket full of junk. Ugh. And, yeah, let's see if I can get it back to the car without dropping it all over the street. Oh, it's like carrying a pizza. Pizza pie, pizza pie. in a beautiful suburban neighborhood. Oh my God. All right. It's on the trunk. I'm not going to push my luck. I'll see you at the next pile. It's an overcast day. I don't really like overcast days. This camera's not great on overcast days. Wow, look at that. Deep in my trunk. That's disgusting. But this is not disgusting. Look at this beautiful stuff here. Whoa. These wires have been in here for like 2 weeks now. I don't know why I didn't clean them out. Let's see. Bench ends. And we got the back, the bench back. We'll tidy that up later if we have to. And I don't know. I guess that's their whole pile now, right? Let me put it up on the curb a little bit so that it's more obvious. And that's that. I don't know that I'm necessarily looking for pots and pans right now, but I'm also not being too fussy. So let's see. What do we got? We got big fancy looking pan. I don't know. That don't look too fancy to me. Oh my God, it's all bent and warped. All right. You know, sometimes they just get new pans and they throw out the old ones. But in this case, I think they're a little too far gone. But I might come back here later and get this styrofoam for packing material. We'll see. I see two things in this pile. Old toys and address labels. So, let's try to get the old toys without the address labels. Ooh. Also mouse poop. Do I want a Fisher-Price school that mouse pooped in? Fred Perry sneakers? Oh my goodness. Look at all this junk. It's... Whoa! One-legged Ken. That's half of a thing. Tonka truck. Tonka buggy. Big ZZ Top fan, I guess. Tonka truck. Oh, look at that. If this robot was in the box, it'd probably be worth 500 bucks. All right. Lunchbox. I don't know what's in there. Ooh. Ratty Barbie dolls. Another Tonka truck. Let's see. Some more. Ooh, what's that? That looks like a thing. I don't know. Here's the other half of that other thing. You know what that is? That's the Fisher-Price Sesame Street Little People set. Somebody's old curtains. One of these games. Raid! Look at all this junk in here. Trans Am, but look at this. That's gotta be a thing, right? That's gotta be like a vintage rare action figure. Let's see. Fire truck. Short-haired Barbie. That's like the Charlize Theron Barbie doll. Light bulbs. Mailbox. And I guess I'll watch the footage later and see if I manage to escape the fate of getting some dumb address labels in there. What's this? I don't know what the hell that is. Alright, so now the question is, what do I take? This thing's filthy, and it's got mouse poop in it, and it's gross. But it's not that bad. The bell still rings. It's missing the thing. I don't know. Barbie and Ken might have to stay here. New York City salutes the Olympics. That's a fake thing. I don't know what it is. I love baseball. Yeah, you and me both, kid. I love baseball. Oh my god. That's gotta be the thumbnail. Are we even focusing? I want my camera focus. Alright, so this is like the worst Sesame Street playset I've ever seen. It's all busted right there, so they can keep that. This thing, I don't know, am I being too picky here? I think they can keep that. This junk in here. Fake Kermit the Frog. That's a part of the Sesame Street playset. Snoopy. Whatever that thing is. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna take these Tonka trucks and these weird action figures and stuff. Because the rest of this crap, like the Tonka trucks you can soak in the sink. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna take this stuff. If you want it, it's at 123 Main Street, Anytown, USA. Come and grab it. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a Kitchenaid Mixer. And it looks like this is the box. And here's the mixer. Wow. Like, wouldn't you just pick this up? I mean, I do. Alright, so this one's got the cord cut off of it. But it's green. You ever see a green one before? I don't know, maybe you have. Maybe you're some kind of sophisticated genius. But I'm not. Alright, so this thing made in China. Assembled in USA. Look, there's no doubt that this thing's just going in the scrap pile anyway. So that's where it'll go. Can we do a thumbnail with that? Yet another Kitchenaid Mixer in the scrap. See, I've been trying to make my thumbnails more compelling. You know, I was going all low-key before, but now I'm trying to make them all like clickbaity. But they gotta be genuine at the same time. Oh yeah, and I decided to take this stuff anyway. I'm getting too picky lately, so I'm de-pickifying myself. This pile's gonna be tricky, because at the other end of the pile is a big address label type of thing. Okay, Monster Power. Wow. You know, I think I might have sold one of these before, but the one I sold might have had the cord on it still. What do you think? I don't know, I don't think that's worth the trouble. This is weird. It's like they came along and cut the cord off the Monster Power, but then they didn't cut the cord off the Die Hard. Maybe I'll cut the cord off of that. Let's see, what is this? A Sony stereo? Okay, that's like one of those little multiple stereo system things. Maybe we'll take that. Some balls. Little teddy bear. Nope. How you doing?
Oh, good. How you doing?
Good. And then the fake penny board. Wow. What just happened? Oh, you know what? Jeez, I don't know how to use my camera. I just blew out the exposure. But yeah, we'll take the fake penny board. And where was that thing that I didn't want anyone to see? Okay, you didn't see it. Yeah, sometimes people have like a big thing that's like, hey, this is who we are and this is where we live. And you're like, really? All right, so I will go get my cutter, cut those cords, and we'll take that stuff. And I guess that's it for this one. Let's see, anything in here? The Elmo ball, Toy Story ball. Looks like these kids had fun with these balls. And this thing right here, I swear these things used to be worth like hundreds of dollars. I don't know, should I take that? Yeah, not with the cut cord. All right, I guess we'll move on. Look, I'm Casey Neistat. Wow, man, I'm going through an airport. I actually didn't stand on the. I'm not Casey Neistat. Oh my God. I just got to know what's on the bottom of this pile. Double deluxe breast pump. That's for feeding the baby. All right. This is what I was looking at right here. Look, tell me when you see that from the side, like from far away, it kind of looks like LP Records, but no. Ken Burns baseball on VHS. That probably cost like $100 when it was new. Now it costs exactly $0. And in here, I don't know. Yeah, I gotta be honest with myself, this pile is terrible and it was already picked to death, so let's go do something else. The only way, oh my God, I'm eating a donut. The only way I can see what's in these garbage barrels is to get out of the car. Wow, that's bad. That's bad. Kind of like this gas can. Oh my God. That's crazy. I don't know Huffy made that. Let's see, these wheels, do we want those? Nah, I always want to take those, but they never really sell. So that is a lesson in, you know, it's like a game of what's in the can. And the only reason I even got out and did that was kind of to prove a point, which is usually there's nothing in the cans. But a couple of months ago, I almost didn't get out at a pile, but I got out and I found something in the can that was like super valuable. So I think I'm kind of changing my approach and maybe looking in the cans now. It's kind of getting dark, but I think I see some dog food. Oh, this is prescription dog food too. All right. Can we see that? Best before, October. It is October 22. That's senior formula. And are we sure? Yeah, that expired this year, or last year, 2020. Bist by 2019. We can at least take this. I mean, it's probably not great, but they like it at the dog pound. What is this? Camel. Can you see that? What is that? Huh. The crazy things you find in the garbage, right? I guess that's like playing cards or something? Let's see. Camel power set. No idea what that is, but I'm going to take it. I'll put it back in the box in a minute. We got floodlights, got a snowman. All right, so that's a pretty good score. What do you think? Should we take this trap? That's too beat up. We got some dog food for the senior dogs at the pound, and we got a couple of camel, whatever they are, things. Great. It gets dark so fast when the sun goes down. But let's see what we got here. A boat. Wow. That looks pretty elaborate, right? We should probably take that. I don't know. I don't really do too well with like these big model boats, model planes. They're just kind of cumbersome, but whatever. It's not like we have anything else of consequence in the car. What else do we have in here? Dune. Yeah. A head cleaning video cassette. Can you read that? VHS rewinder. Ooh. 25 million copies. See? This cassette is 1 out of 25 million. Ooh. Creedence Clearwater Revival. Gordon Lightfoot. Bob Seger. Everybody likes little Bob Seger. Nope. Billy Joel. See? We're finding tapes. And a movie called War Horse. Or where I'm from, that'd be called War Horse. You know? Okay. That was completely useless, I guess. But we got tapes and a boat. It is so dark out here. But I see a guitar case. Do you see it? Think anything's in it? Something's in it. What do you think's in it? It's not just a guitar, it's a combo. Can that be the thumbnail, maybe? Finding free guitars in the trash at night. This looks like a total piece of junk, but it looks like it might be an old piece of junk. So we'll take it. And then that's about it. Yeah. Want some flowers for your girl? Free flowers for your girl in the garbage. What's in here? Nothing. Alright, I guess we'll take this dumb guitar. Put it in the back seat. Oh look, the window's closed. Because it's not summer anymore. I love summer. It's kind of a weird word if you say it too many times. Summer, 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 summer. Especially if you're from Massachusetts. We're going to Revere Beach this summer. But yeah, we got a guitar and a fake penny board, and this thing's got mouse poop in it. We're having a great night, I'll tell you that. This guitar is sliding all over the car, so I'm gonna have to reconfigure it. All right, where should we put the guitar? I don't want to put the guitar on top of the boat. Wow. You know, sometimes everything I find is just like nice, neat, boxy stuff. And other times the War Horse movie is just flopping all over the place. Alright, so what we'll do, put the stereo over there. And the guitar can go next to the stereo. And then the boat can kind of go like, think that'll work? And look at this. This is my antenna. It's just a piece of wire. But it's like, it's kind of coming out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, normally it stays where it's supposed to stay. Just stays wedged in that door. But lately it's got a mind of its own. You know, I might actually have to get a... What do you think? Should I get a real antenna or just say F it with the antenna? Jeez, that dog. Guess he's got an opinion. Anyway, let's get back in the car and go trash picking some more. I've already popped the trunk. So I'm optimistic that this thing is made of brass. Although it might not be. What do you think? Does that look brassy to you? Look at this. See what they did? They took their brass stuff and spray painted it. Trying to trick me. That's not a great set, but wow, that's kind of cool. Is that mid-century modern right there? Does that lampshade go on it? No. I don't know, that's something. So I'll take that. And I got like a ton of snow shovels already. I do like this one though. It's very adorable. All right. So this light, whatever it is, that can go inside the car. See, it's like, it's old, it's vintage. I think it's missing the shade on the top, but that's a thing. You know, sometimes you got to be able to figure out if wow, I thought I already popped the trunk. Sometimes you got to be able to figure out if a thing is a thing, you know? Some things look like things, but they're not things, but sometimes a thing is a thing. And I think that thing is a thing. Does that make any sense? No, it doesn't. I've edited at least 2 videos in the last week where I'm going through this guy's pile. What is it? A proton something. That's weird enough looking. We'll take it. This guy is not discreet about his address. Tobacco. I might have to cut this whole clip out. Let's see. Coffee machine. Ooh. A fun little speaker. Hallicrafters. It's not really worth anything, but you know, $9.95 on eBay. So I don't know if this pile has been picked. I actually saw the guy putting it out earlier. But we got some crap. So, you know, what more can you ask for, right? What do we got? Oh, look. It's like a little, I don't know, Christmas ornament, Winnebago thing. And, oh my God. Wow, that is adorable. Look at that little snowman. Wait, I'm gonna set the focus. Damn it. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't really know how to use my camera, especially not one-handed. All right, can that be our thumbnail? I found an adorable snowman in the garbage. Evergreens? No. More evergreens. Ew. A gross cushion. This guy must be like a doctor. They give like free tote bags with medical names on them. Or maybe he's a football player. Or maybe he's Tom Hanks. Alright, did I show you that address label yet? Wow. I've been really going out of my way to avoid the address labels tonight, but they just keep haunting me. Look at these giant plates. Wow. This plate must be like 14 inches in diameter, and it's from Crate and Barrel. That's fancy schmancy stuff. All right. I think I can live without those big, heavy, fragile plates. Photo album, we don't need that. We don't need the bag, we don't need the evergreens. And I guess that's about it. What do you say? You want to call this one the last one? I don't know. Ooh, look. Computer pots. I might take those. Ones that have gold on them anyway. Look at this old disk drive. Welcome to another LGR blurb about the recordable, rewritable disk drive. Wow. Yeah, I think I can, I don't know. What the heck is that? PC modem cards and stuff. Goodness. See? These things right here, they're made of gold. Solid 24 karat gold. Not really. This is so awesome. A Comp USA locking disk drive tray. No, I mean disc tray. What's in here? Wow, that's heavy. That's a heavy beast. Oh no. What on earth is this? Oh snap. Look what we got. All right, we got to set up our thumbnail now. Rare old computers in the trash. Is that a thing? Is it a good thumbnail? I don't know, but check this out though. Like this is the last thing that I expected to find in this case. I thought it was going to be like some, who knows what, but it's a vintage Mac. This thing, I don't know what it is. Some kind of like hard drive or something. In here, we got cords. Look at that. That is so awesome. It's probably worth like 50 bucks too. Like, that's crazy. I mean, would you look at that case and think, oh yeah, there's an old Macintosh in there? I wouldn't. Let's see, what's this? Yeah. Some kind of EQ unit. We'll take that too. This little TV VCR combination. We don't want that. There's a bag down here. I don't know if I want to. Alright, it's just like art supplies and stuff. Can you see? Paintbrushes and whatnot. And that's about it. Unless there's anything good in here. No, I don't think so. But yeah, you know, this is wild. About the last thing that I expected to find this late at night, because it's like 6 o'clock. It seems really late because it's dark, get it? Was this great Macintosh and all this other stuff. So yeah, what a great way to end the video. And I guess until next time, I do want to say I appreciate you guys coming along and keeping me company. And till the next video, thanks so much for watching.